Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premiere, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app, select one of your chats, and then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Now hit Files category and tap on one of those apps. Click on those three lines at the top left corner to select one of those sources, or just tap on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Wherever you decided, hold your file that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!